Fraction. In fractions we have learned so many different things. As the first thing we have learned is fraction are part of a whole. 1 by 2 is known as the half, that means 2 half makes a whole. If it comes to 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, that means a quarter makes a whole. one third one third means a one third of a whole, so 1 upon that means 3 parts make a whole. So 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equals to a whole. In fraction, the second thing which we have learned, that a fraction is having the numerator and a denominator which represents with a line, which represents the line between the two of them, in which the above one is known as the numerator and the below one is known as the denominators. In this fraction you can easily see that 1 is the numerator and second and number 2 is the denominator. Let's come take another fraction. 2 upon 4, 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. If we take an example, it represents that denominator represents the total number of parts. In the square you can see I have divided it into 4 equal parts. Out of these 4 equal parts we have shaded 2 of them, so the fraction will be 2 upon 4. Total 4 parts are there and we have taken 2 out of them. Similarly, there are different types of fractions which we have studied. The first fraction is a like fraction. In like fraction, all the denominators are same. 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8. That's why it is known as the like fraction. It represents the like fraction with the same denominator, each and every one. You can directly compare, you can do addition, you can do subtraction, you can do multiplication, you can do addition whenever the situation comes in the like fraction. But in the unlike fraction, all the denominators are different. But you cannot do addition, subtraction, you cannot follow the operations over here. First you have to convert them into the like fraction and then you can do it properly. So remember, convert them into the like fraction before and then you can do it the comparing, addition, subtraction and other mathematical problems, operations just like multiplication and division. The third one is the proper fraction. It is very much easier one. Proper fraction is having the numerator less than the denominator. That means the numerator will always less than the denominator. You can see 7 upon 8, the numerator is less. 5 upon 9, the numerator is less. 2 upon 5 is the numerator less. So the numerator which having the numerator less than the denominator is known as a proper fraction. Second name is also similar to this one, which is known as the improper fraction. In improper fraction, just opposite the proper fraction. That's just opposite, wherever you can see the numerator is greater than the denominator. The numerator is always greater than the denominator. 8 upon 7, 9 upon 5, 5 upon 2, 7 upon 3. All the fractions are having the numerator is greater than the denominator. So these type of fractions are known as the improper fraction. So similarly, just like the proper one. Now comes the last one, which is known as the unit fraction. In unit fraction you can easily see and find out, because in unit fraction the numerator is always equals to 1 upon 2,